वंस अगेन वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम बात करेंगे फ्रिक्शन, क्लास 8 का चैप्टर है। इन दिस टॉपिक वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट आर द रीजन फॉर फ्रिक्शन, इट इज़ हार्मफुल और यूजफुल, how we can reduce the friction and how we can increase the friction. As you all know, friction is very important for all the activities which is included in our day-to-day life. Okay, so move to the topic. What is the force of friction? Very simple definition: the force which oppose the motion. Okay, so force of friction is the force which oppose the motion, and this is applicable between the surfaces. Now example, a ball which is rolling on a surface. After some time the speed of the ball get reduced, and that is due to the friction. Why? Because force of friction oppose the motion. And now the main question, which is very important, it is asked in very exams and even very higher exams, like what is the direction of frictional force. Okay, so frictional force is applied in the opposite direction of the motion. So as you can see, this girl is riding a bicycle, and here the motion of direction and frictional force direction is just opposite. Okay, you can see with the diagram. Now what are the factor affecting the friction? Okay, so friction force is dependent on two things. First one is nature of the surface. That is the reason if the force which is applied by the friction, okay, it depends on the surfaces. If the surface is smooth, friction will be very less, but if it is rough, friction will be very high. Now contact of surface area, or we can say the area of contact between these two surfaces, if the contact area, or we can say surface area which is in contact, will be high, the friction will be high. And if the surface area which is in contact will be less, friction will be less. Okay, so friction is more on a rough surface. As you can see on the road, we feel more friction as compared to our floor tiles which is used in our house. Okay, and so friction is more if the surfaces are pressed harder. Why? If the object which is having more weight placed on a surface, it will feel more frictional force. It means we need more force to move that object, and that is due to the frictional force. So now move to the next slide. What are the causes of friction? And causes of friction is very simple thing. What are the cause of friction? It is due to the interlocking of irregularities between the two surfaces. The roughness of two surfaces get interlocked and they causes the friction. For example, we are using carom board and we spray or we sprinkle what? Talcum powder to fill these irregularities and to reduce the friction. So smooth surfaces have very minute irregularities between the two surfaces, whereas rough surfaces have large irregularities between the two surfaces. So friction is more if surface is rough. Okay, here you can see what are the irregularities. Okay, this is the roughness of two surfaces. Then we will discuss what are the types of friction. Here is three types of friction. First one is static friction, sliding friction, and rolling friction. Static friction is applicable whenever any object is in rest. Okay, so static friction definition is it is a friction which is exerted on an object which is at rest. Suppose a book which is in the rest on a surface, then it is feeling static friction. If we want to move the book, we have to apply a friction, we have to apply a force which is equal or more than the frictional force. Then sliding friction is the friction whenever two object slides over, whenever two object slide over each other. Like if we are sliding on a slide, okay, then what will happen? The surface of contact, the area of contact will be near about high, but the duration of contact is very less. As in the case of rolling friction, it is very less. Why? Because the surface which is in contact is very less, or we can say very small. Rolling friction, we can say, due to the wheel, whenever wheel is moving on a surface, then it feels rolling friction. In that case, the area of contact is very less and for a very short time period. So sliding friction is slightly less than the static friction, and whereas rolling friction is the least. Okay, so rolling friction is less than sliding friction and static friction. So highest friction is static friction, then sliding friction is less than static friction, and least friction is rolling friction. Now here you can see in this example, first one is static friction, the person which is applying a force on a box and he need more force. Why? Because static friction is very high. In second case, the rabbit is sliding from a slide. Okay, here it is also applying a sliding friction. The contact area is high, but the duration of contact is very less. But in the case of rolling friction, when ball is rolling in a surface, then the contact area and time of contact is very less. So third one, which is rolling friction, is very less. Now friction is useful. Yes, definitely friction is very useful in day-to-day life, as we can move only due to the friction, and we are able to write and hold any object due to frictional force only. Okay, so friction force is useful for day-to-day life. As you can see in these diagrams, the pictures are moving, and that is due to the friction force. Now sometimes frictional force is undesirable. Undesirable means unwanted. Why? Because sole of shoes wear out due to the friction. As you can see, when you bring new shoes, the soles are very grooved, well grooved, but after some time these grooves wear out due to the friction. Tires of bicycle, automobiles wear out due to the friction. Okay, and sometime we are doing some yoga in our classes. When we are rubbing our palms, after some time we feel hot, or we can say the temperature is increased in between the palms, and that is also due to the friction. So friction is undesirable. That is the reason we are using mobil oil in our bikes or cars to reduce the friction. So friction is useful as well as harmful for us. As you can see, the difference between new tire and old tire. And knives, they also lose their shape or sharpness due to regular uses. And here are some methods how we can increase the friction. We can increase the friction by increasing the groove or by increasing the roughness of surface. Simple method, we can increase the friction by increasing the roughness of surface. That is the reason some gymnasts apply chorus powder on their hand before activities or games. You can see in these diagrams the shoes of soles are well grooved, even tires in gymnast hand, you can, if you observe them, there is a white chorus powder over there. Now how we can reduce the friction, that is more important. We sprinkle powder on carom board to reduce the friction. Oil or grease is applied between the moving part. Wheels are used in vehicle to reduce the friction. Yes, that is the rolling friction which is least. That's why we are using wheels in our automobiles, cars. Okay, and ball bearings, these are used in cycles, ceiling fans and other vehicles. Okay, so here you can see that car is moving. Okay, and in carom board we sprinkle the powder to reduce the friction. Now there is another type of friction that is exerted by the fluid. It means liquid and airs. The air means gases and liquids, they also exert the friction, that is known as fluid friction. So definition of fluid friction is, fluid friction is the force of friction exerted by liquids and gases on object moving through them. It means if we are moving through the waters, if we are swimming, we are feeling fluid friction, and fluid friction depends on the speed of the object. If speed will be high, fluid friction will be less, simultaneously, or vice versa we can say. Okay, if friction will be high, speed will be less. Then shape of the object, most important thing, speed of shape of the object. Then nature of the fluid, if fluid or liquid is dense, if high consistency, or we can say if it is concentrate, then friction will be high. For comparison, in honey friction will be high, in water friction will be less. Okay, so how we can reduce the fluid friction? By using streamline body. Now streamline body, it means fish like structure. Okay, here we can see all the object like fish, eagle, aeroplane and rocket, they all are having streamline body. Okay, so streamline body can reduce the fluid friction. So thank you student, that's all for the friction chapter. Do revision, do best in your exam, and subscribe and like this video more and more, share with your friends. Thank you.